Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to review a product that is none other than this bad boy, Rode Videomicro microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am your host Nitin Philip and you are watching Nicks and Nins. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please consider subscribing and enable the bell icon. So as soon as we upload a new video, you get instant notification and you won't miss out any of our videos. I have bought this mic 3 weeks ago and I have used ample occasions. So I think I can just come up with a good review of this product. I will give you my verdict on this product towards the end of this video. So please make sure you watch till the end. And during this video, you will find some useful information about this product. This might help you to make a purchase decision. Rode Videomicro comes in compact size and lightweight. It is around 80 mm long and weighs around 42 grams. It has got all metal microphone body. As you can see it here, it is all metal microphone body. Most importantly, it does not require any battery to work. It is powered by camera plug-in power. It has got a shock mount. As you can see, this is a shock mount and a furry windshield. This furry windshield is very useful when you shoot outdoor because you will be surrounded with a lot of noise when you go for outdoor shoot, as well as the noise from the wind, the hiss sound that always comes behind your video. So this windshield will act as a protective tool where you don't actually capture all the unwanted noise, rather you will get the right sound picked up while you shoot your videos. The cable, what you're seeing here, it is useful only for DSLR cameras because this will not work with your mobile phones. So in order for you to connect this device to your mobile phone, you have to have a separate adapter cable. So I'm going to do a separate video on that. So that will come right after this video, maybe a week later. So I'll tell you all what you need to know about how to fix this microphone to your mobile phone. I have mounted my external mic to my DSLR camera, and now you are hearing me through this mic. By now you might be able to figure out the difference in sound quality. Comparing to rivals, it does a great job and it is value for money, absolutely, because you're not spending too much on this product, but the deliverables are really great. So I am really excited with this product, and so far I don't have any serious complaint about this mic because it delivers good quality sound in given situations. I'm standing right outside my house and now you can really feel the sound quality of this mic. So it is capturing all the external noises and sound that is all around me, and I'm talking right to the camera. So from this you can possibly figure out how powerful this mic is. Comparing to its rivals and competitors, it does a great job. And you have seen the ambient noise inside the house and the ambient noise that is outside now. So you have seen both the situations, and now you can figure out if it is working properly for you or not. Now I will give you my verdict on this product. Altogether, it is a well-built, affordable, easy to carry microphone. Sound quality is excellent and I cannot make any complaints. This microphone is very much useful for those who are vlogging and YouTubers and video creators. And it is going to be a very good add-on for those people who are into videography. I am very delighted about the performance of this product and I'm really contented. If you own a mic of this sort, please let us know your feedback about this mic. And you can always write your comment on the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was informative enough for you to figure out how this mic performs and whether it is for you or not. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please consider subscribing and enable the bell icon. I'll see you next week, next Friday, with another interesting topic. Till then, you guys stay safe. See ya.